Welcome to this special edition at Secular Advocacy TV.
We listen to the so-called professionals, and many have died listening to them.
Nigerian Federal Ministry of Health reacts as Pastor Chris discourages Nigerians from heeding medical advice on salt. The General Overseer of Christ Embassy has in a televangelism discouraged Nigerians from heeding medical advice on salt. He stated that medical professionals has propagated misinformation about salt intake. Chris therefore encouraged more intakes of salt.
We listen to the so-called professionals, and many have died listening to them. Think how many people have suffered strokes and all kinds of ailments because they listen to their doctor. Think how many people have been afraid of salt. In fact, they've eliminated salt. I thought so. But this is why I talk to you about praying in tongues. I speak in tongues and solutions come. The Bible tells us when we speak in tongues, we're speaking mysteries. All right. So this is really remarkable. Really remarkable. And you have to let others know. You have to let others know. You need salt. More salt than less salt. And you just heard, they've actually been giving all the sick people that they're treating in the hospitals, they're giving them salt. But they don't know. They repackage it and sell it to you in different forms. But you had it at home all the while.
Reacting to his comment, Federal Ministry of Health countered the misleading and disparaging preaching on salt intake. It is quite unfortunate that we find ourselves in a country where religious freedom means impunity, where religious freedom means anarchy, where religious freedom or being a religious leader means having immunity to say all kinds of things without being subjected to scrutiny. That is a country we find ourselves. Because if it's in the same country, Pastor Chris would have been invited for misleading the public, inciting the public against the hallowed medical profession. But no, it cannot happen in Nigeria. Look at how a person set up a televangelism disparaging medical profession that have saved more lives than religion has.